everyone, welcome to Maths Standards of Learning. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe for more step-by-step videos. Also, make sure you like this video and share with your friends and families. So let's get started with today's lesson. Today's lesson is on ratio, and this lesson can be for 5th grade, 6th grade, or 7th grade. So what is a ratio? A ratio is a comparison between quantities. A ratio can be represented as a fraction, example, 2 over 3, with a colon, example, 2 is to 3, and using the word 2 to 3. Example 1. What is the ratio of circles to square? So when we're writing a ratio, the first number represents the first quantity. So circles to square, we have to first count the circles and write that number first, and then we write the number of squares after. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles and 1, 2, 3 squares. So the ratio as a fraction is 5 over 3. Using a colon, 5 is to 3. And using the word 2, 5 to 3. So count the quantities that is mentioned first and write that number first when you're writing your ratio. Next, what is the ratio of triangles to total squares? So let's count the triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we keep that in mind. And then we're going to count the total shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the ratio of triangles to total shapes is 6 to 8. 6 is to 8. 6 to 8. So sometimes they might ask you to write the ratio in its simplest form. So you just use the method that we use when we're reducing fractions to lowest term. So here we can use 2 to divide both numerator and denominator. So this would be 3 to 4. And then it would be 3 is to 4, and then 3 to 4. Next, in a parking garage, there were 15 cars and 25 trucks. Part A of that word problem. What is the ratio of trucks to cars? So let's count trucks. Well, the number is 25 and cars is 15, so it is 25 to 15. 25, 15. 25 is to 15. And 25 to 15. And usually they will tell you how they want you to represent the ratio. So if they want it as a fraction, you know what to do. They want you to use a colon, you know what to do. And if they want you to use the word 2. And here again, we can reduce this ratio to its lowest term if we were asked to. We would divide by 5, and 5 into 25, 5 times 5 times, and 5 into 15 3 times. So that would be 5 over 3. That would be the lowest terms. Let's write this a little bit clearer. 5 over 3. That's better. Okay, the B part of this word problem. What is the ratio of cars to total vehicles? Cars, 15. Total vehicles, 15 plus 25, that's 40. So cars to total vehicle would be cars. Where is it? 15 to 40. So that is 15 over 40. 15 is to 40, and then 15 to 40. And here again, we can reduce it to its lowest terms if we are asked to. We divide by 5. 15 divided by 5 3 times, and 40 divided by 5 8 times. So the lowest term would be 3/8. Next, which model represents the ratio of 7 circles to 2 squares? So we have to look at the models and look to see which one has 7 squares first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. And then 2 squares. So we put a check at this model. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.